Hello friends, welcome in my channel Color and Color. Today I have Princess Rapunzel. I will color her dress and do her makeover. Let's start her makeover with peach color foundation on her face and neck. The skin of the arms is also peach. Lens of her eyes are blue. She has brown eyebrows. Her lipstick is red. She has pink blush on her cheeks. She has floor-length hair of golden color. Sleeves of her frock are pink and purple. The frill and tassels of her top are purple. The top of her frock is pink. The bottom of the frock is purple. The bottom frill is pink. Her shoes are purple. Wow, shiny stars! I sprinkled them on her frock to make it more shiny. Her frock is shining bright and she is looking gorgeous. Like and subscribe.